Hello YouTube, my name's Everton and today I'm going to do some Python coding here. Okay, so Python is a programming language used by coders. Okay, so the basic Python is more or less easy, but then it can get a lot more complicated. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to show you a command which is called print. Okay, so this command basically allows you to print text below. So when you run this, it will display what text you have typed in between the speech marks. So basically, all I've gone and done is typed in print print brackets speech marks. Then in the brackets speech marks, you can type whatever you want. I could type a massive paragraph all the way down to there, but I'm not going to for this demonstration. So when you run this, it will display what you have done up here. Okay, so you may have noticed then, if I left a gap between there and there, that displays this here, and that's just saying that that's away from there. It's displaying that blank. If I went and did it all the way down here and run it, it's got this big gap. So you've got to make sure that the speech mark and the bracket is touching the text. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you is input box, which allows the user to type text, and when it gets displayed, basically when this gets printed, then you will be able to type some text in, and then it'll basically display it. So this is called input. Oops. Okay, so it basically looks like this, and all this is going to do is just let the user type something. So how old are you? 10. And you enter, and it displays what you've just typed. This is good in chat rooms because you could have just like, if you were making a program where you just wanted to talk to someone, obviously you'd have to internet base it, but you could just put loads and loads of input boxes like this, and then they'd be able to type and everything. So all this is going to do now is allow you to type loads of text. Hi, hello, until it gets to that point where it's reached how many input boxes there are. Okay, so using these input boxes now, I'm going to create a small kind of little Python-y thing. Okay, so first I'm going to do a print, and I'm going to do a question. Okay, so let's say, how old are you? And then you want to put old equals input, like so. So, and then underneath that you want an if statement, and then if old equals let's say if old equals 9, print I am 2. So basically what it's going to do is I've printed how old are you, then old equals input. So basically this is saying whatever you input, it's got to be like if old equals 9. I can't really explain it, but basically all it's saying is if old equals 9, it's going to print I am 2. But if you're not, old doesn't equal 9, then it's not going to display the statement. So how old are you? 9. I am 2. But let's say I went and said, how old are you? That, it doesn't make sense. All it's going to do is basically display what you've just typed in. Okay, so yeah. So thanks for watching, and as always, have a good day. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.